Dito naman tayo guys sa spot na guys, oh. Ayun, oh. At maliit lang guys, okay na yan guys. Bad na yan guys. Ayun guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Ganun lang. Oh. Malaki-laki na guys. Tandaan na yan, lumalaki na yan. Dito lang ko sa spot ko. Oh, sa Toto Umara Ayustian Nato guys. Yan. Dito na tayo guys sa pwesto natin guys. So ayan lang, oh. At saka si Mr. B, bro. Si Mr. B. Kuntis natin guys. Nandiyan ang isang fisherman, no. May estudyante siya dito may guys. At saka ito naman ang atin. Alright, kuntis natin guys. Tapong ko lang ng kakuha ko lang nisa. May nag-iyak naman yung ano ko guys, oh. Sabi ko sa inyo, bring your rod and reel, sit down closing the beach side, and catching si Mama Maputi guys. Lumalaki na. Palaki ng palaki. Mamaya yan, birbid na yan. Nasaan yung rod ang ano mo? Sinabi mo na.
Sinabi ko kasi kala ko yung estudyante mo rin dumating putan.
Hindi, local yun. Talagang ano talaga. Ayun, laki na yun siya guys, oh. Inyo lang guys, contest natin. Magandang laban ng Ibiang tsaka kagabi guys. HBR, close game din. Tapos ang sa master din, close game din guys ang sa amin. Kaya okay lang guys, at least may trophy tayo ngayon. Ito guys. Ito naman si Mama guys. Medyo malaki si Mama guys. Kaya tayuan ko na guys. Kasi yan guys, oh. Up. Relax Mama. Relax Papa Jerry. Talagang guys na i-atras talaga natin guys. Malaki-laki na to guys. Palaki ng palaki guys. Ano masasabi mo yan, ha? Kaibigan.
Tama ka, palaki ng palaki.
Yan ang sinasabi guys. So, palampas na sa cellphone ko na, oh.
Mamaya yan, talaki.
Mamaya yan. Mermid na kamo dyan. Tayo ng pwesto guys. Sa disin ng pwesto natin guys. Time to come guys. Nagutom na ko guys. Ay natitlans. Yung fisherman yun guys. Yan. Naka 2 hours na siya ata sa dyan guys. Awa naman. Yun. Naka 2 hours na siya sa ata dyan. Wala pa daw sa huli. Kaya naman. Mayroon tayong huli. Pero di naman not big size, but only for the fry cook o pinamalan guys. At least mayroon tayong huli. Huwag tayong hindi luwaan sa spot natin. Yan, magandang weather ngayon guys. The weather is good. Nothing sun. Everything cover. But I want to try more fishing. But tomorrow again guys, because my bread only this from Friday. Hey, look that I feel tired already. That's why if I come to the house guys, this is the catching, right? Last Friday or Saturday in question too, but this time this is the my catching guys. I-check natin sa bahay guys. Una natin ang picture ko at picture kit ulit. Right? Continue natin sa bahay. So maybe I check the pantalan today. If not that one, to go home. Alright? At least hindi tayo na zero guys. Kahit ganyan lang huli natin, continuous tayong catching. Alright Mama? Yeah, see that? Alright, let's go in the house. So I check first in the beach side guys, in Pantalan. Right? Maybe I try there. If not, go home to on the house. Alright, let's go. Oh, okay. Showtime guys si mama. Oh. Nandiyan oh. Nag-check tayo sa Pantalan guys. Oh. High tide pala guys. Kaya tingin din tayo dito sa dito kung ano makita natin dito guys. Talagang walang karing guys. Oh. Pag ganyan ang tubig, tahimik, the water is not moving, like not no good for the fishing guys. Yeah, I don't know what kind of technique guys, but for me, ooh, sila big size guys. I think that's stingray. See, but still ay naga video ako. Yeah, kaya doon tayo punta guys. Ito sana magbato dito guys, pero iwan ko lang kung may kuha tayo. Pero pauwi naman tayo guys. Nagdaan lang tayo dito, yung sabi ko nga kanina, magpasbay tayo dito kasi walang karing guys. Oh, nothing karing, no good. Okay, ano na yun kita nyo yun? Isa pa, one more, I don't know what kind that one, stingray oh. Alright, this is my lifetime now. Saipan Mr. B. Back to the fishing. Alright. Wala guys. Umahabol yata ng ano yun. Atula, i-check natin dito. Ano silalim. Okay. Continuous natin guys. Sabay yung ano natin guys. Hindi na tayo mag-fishing kasi the water is not moving. Only staying. Oh, wow. Mukhang mag-try tayo guys. Okay. Yun, really clean na water guys. Oh. Ito yan, Mr. B. Sila malalim. Bakal tinala natin yung fishing rod natin guys. Nag-try tayo. Baka may makuha tayong maputi rito kasi high tide eh. Yeah. So, broking na yung ano. Yung makikita yung isda sa ibaba. Kung mayroong isda. Right. Okay, yung crack no. See? Alright. Nobody talaja or atulay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the house. Ito na guys, ang huli natin galing tayo sa Pantalan, checking the Pantalan, but the water is not, they don't have current guys. Kaya this is it. Kung supposed to be want to cook like pinamalan guys, but the problem is my wife cooking a lot of the meat. Wow, problema guys. Kaya mayroon man tayong iniyaw doon. Initing ko na lang guys. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. And shout out to Omar Oiste with Mr. B in California guys. Cebuan journey. Alright, shout out sa inyo lahat yan. This is it. This is my spot. I catching this one, guys. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30 pieces, guys, over. Okay? Sige lang. See you tomorrow again, guys. God bless all. I love you, Mama. And I love you, Mama in the land. And I love you guys. God bless, guys.